Good morning, students. Yesterday we learnt about the Kodavu people and Kurd. We have started learning about it. As I told you, this is the Kashmir of South India. Extremely beautiful. The God has bestowed all its beauty in the form of landscape. सारी ब्यूटी लैंडस्केप पर बिखेर दी है गॉड ने. वी ऑल्सो लर्न अबाउट इट्स पीपल. यहाँ के जो लोग हैं वो स्ट्रांगली बिल्ट है. इट इज़ फेमस फॉर कॉफ़ी प्लांटेशन. अपार्ट फ्रॉम इट्स क्लाइमेट, it rains during the monsoon season. Evergreen rainforests are found and therefore the rolling hills remain covered for the whole year with greenery. It remains lush green throughout the year. Okay. Spices are also famous of this area. गरम मसाले यहाँ के बड़े पॉपुलर हैं along with coffee. Apart from it, when it rains throughout the monsoon, frequent rain showers also occur during the other months, but the months worth visiting this place are from September to March. These people are very hospitable. बहुत मेहमान नवाजी के शौकीन होते हैं. They love to help others, and as I told you, this place has given so many soldiers, brave warriors in our army, to our brave army. General K.M. Cariappa was also from this place. Now, the most important part of this place is the holy river Kaveri. Kaveri river flows through this area and it has provided the area an enchanting beauty and numerous waterfalls throughout the area. So come to page number 91. The river Kaveri obtains its water from the hills and forests of Kurg. Mahasir, a large freshwater, abound in these waters. Kingfishers dive for their catch, while squirrels and langurs drop partially eaten fruit for the mischief of enjoying the splash and ripple effect in the clear water. Elephants enjoy being bathed and scrubbed in the river by their mahouts. कितना beautiful scene नज़र आता है. A variety of birds are found. Langur, monkeys, they throw the leftover fruits into the clear water of river and then they watch the rippling effect. जो कोई चीज़ क्लियर वाटर में गिराने के बाद जो उसकी लहरें बनती है, it is a pleasant effect over there. Apart from it, we can see the elephants having bath with the help of their mahout. mahout जानते हो ना, महावत जो एलिफेंट की केयर टेकर है, एलिफेंट को केयर करता है, उसका पूरा ध्यान रखता है. So caretaker of elephant is called Mahavat. So with the help of their Mahavats, these elephants are taken care. The most land-based individuals become converts to the life of high energy adventure with river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, mountain biking. Numerous walking trails in this region are a favorite with trekkers. This place is famous for adventure sports. Remember rafting. River rafting, you might be knowing, it is moving in a river with the help of rafts. राफ्ट में बैठकर रिवर में ट्रेवल करते हुए, एक्चुअली व्हेन द रिवर फ्लोज थ्रू अ ग्रेट स्पीड, it is an extraordinary pleasure to have a rafting. If any one of you have enjoyed it, this experience cannot be forgotten forever. Okay. Then canoeing. Canoeing is traveling in a river in a canoe. Canoeing एक छोटी लंबी नैरो बोट होती है जिसमें राफ्ट के सहारे उसको और जो रेपलर्स होते हैं उनके थ्रू इनको ट्रैवल किया जाता है। कैनोइंग छोटी स्मॉल बोट होती है लेकिन लॉन्ग, ओके, 1 or 2 people कैन सिट, और बड़ी भी होती है तो इट डिपेंड्स, द साइज डिपेंड्स ऑन नंबर ऑफ पीपल, ओके। देन रैपलिंग इज गोइंग डाउन द क्लिफ बाय स्लाइडिंग डाउन, रस्सी के सहारे पहाड़ों से नीचे जंप करना, दिस इज कॉल्ड रैपलिंग। दिस इज ऑल्सो एन एडवेंचर गेम। रैपलिंग, it is rappelling is double L, rappelling, going down the cliff by sliding. A cliff is the straight slope mountain जिसके खड़े डाल वाली, जिसमें जरा भी स्लोप नहीं हो, that is called a cliff, और उसमें रस्सी के सहारे नीचे उतरना। So all these adventure sports are provided here. This area is famous for all those sports, and also it is popular for trekkers. Even numerous walking trails कहते हैं पगडंडियाँ जैसे जो जिन पर पैदल चलने वाले चलते हैं, तो this place is heaven for trekkers as well. So it is an enchanting view for trekkers when they move on their feet. Birds, bees and butterflies are there to give you company. कितनी अच्छी कंपनी है नेचर के साथ। Birds, bees, butterflies are there to give you company. Macaques, Malabar squirrels, langurs, slender lories keep a watchful eye from the tree canopy. Canopy, as I told you, these are the large part of trees which cover the area. Okay, so these animals sit among the branches of the trees and they watch our movement, trekkers' movement. I do, however, prefer to step aside for a wild elephant, but the author himself realizes that it is a beneficial step if we keep away from an elephant. तो वो कह रहा है कि हमें एक वाइल्ड एलिफेंट से दूर रहने में ही भलाई है। The climb to the Brahmagiri hills brings you into a panoramic view of the entire misty landscape of Kurg. Misty means जो क्लाउड्स की जो धुंध बराबर बनी रहती है। It provides a panoramic view to the people who visit the place. Brahmagiri Hills, okay, remember this. This place is located in Brahmagiri Hills. A walk across the rope bridge leads the 64-acre island of Nisargadhama, running into Buddhist monks from India's largest Tibetan settlement. Just think, though it provides a beautiful scenario, beautiful landscape, misty cloud mountains are there. One more important thing is there. It is a walk across the rope bridge. एक रोप ब्रिज है वहाँ पर, उस पर चलकर जाना. कहाँ? 64 एकड़ आइलैंड ऑफ निसर्गधाम. एक निसर्गधाम आइलैंड है जो कि सबसे बड़ा बुद्धिस्ट सेटलमेंट है. स्पेशली बुद्धिस्ट मॉन्क वहाँ रहते हैं. एंड इट इज़ द लार्जेस्ट तिब्बतन सेटलमेंट वेयर बुद्धिस्ट monks live. And moving on, that 64-acre island of Nisargadaama is a never forgetting experience. Then at nearby Bailekupi is a bonus. और इसके पास एक और प्लेस है बेलाईकुपी, ये और बोनस है. यहाँ जाना तो और ज़्यादा प्लेजर देने वाली बात है, ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल इवेंट है. द मॉन्क्स इन रेड ऑकर एंड येलो रॉब्स आर अमंग्स द मेनी सरप्राइजेज दैट वेट टू बी डिस्कवर्ड बाय विजिटर्स सर्चिंग फॉर द हार्ट एंड सोल ऑफ इंडिया राइट हियर इन कुर्ग. Just think, those monks, the Buddhist monks, you must have seen, they wear specially red, ochre and yellow robes. Ochre एक कलर है, so red, ochre and yellow dresses, yellow robes. Robe कहते हैं हम long gown जो घुटने के नीचे तक आता है. It is called robe. So these monks wear these colors, red, ochre and yellow robes, and it is also a great surprise to see them there. Apart from it, many other surprises are there which are still to be discovered by the visitors, because we are searching for the heart and soul of India in Kurg itself. So Kurg is heaven, as I told you, on land. The Kashmir, you can say, or the Scotland of India, the Kashmir of South India, which has many surprises. It is a heaven for tourists, and there are still many more to be discovered.